Good morning, students. Now in chapter 13, surface areas and volumes. Next exercise is exercise 13.3. In this exercise, we are going to learn about area of a right circular cone. So firstly, see the right circular cone. Right circular cone, its base is circle. Base of right circular cone is circle. So area of base will be pi r square. L is the slant height, r is the radius of base, and h is the height. And angle between and h and r will be 90 degree. So in this triangle you can use Pythagoras theorem and you can find the relationship between L, R and H. So by Pythagoras theorem, L square will be equal to R square plus H square. So L will be equal to root R square plus H square, you can write. So this is the relationship between L, R and H. Means slant height of the L is the slant height of the cone, R is the radius of base, and H is the height of the cone. And we know that diameter of the base will be equal to twice of the radius. Clear? So curved surface area of the cone is equal to pi r L, where r is the radius of the base and L is the slant height. Total surface area of cone. In case of total surface area of cone, you have to add pi r square also in curved surface area. So curved surface area plus area of base means pi r square. So taking out common pi r, then L plus r. So total surface area of cone will be equal to pi r into L plus r, and relationship between L and R and H will be L will be equal to root R square plus H square, you can write it. Clear? See again. In case of right circular cone, its base is a circle of radius r. Clear? L is the slant height and H is the height, and angle between H and R is 90 degree. So we can use here Pythagoras theorem. So L square is equal to R square plus H square in this triangle, because this triangle is right angle triangle. Clear? So L will be equal to root R square plus H square. Its base is a circle. Clear? So area of base will be area of circle, means pi r square, and circumference of base will be circumference of circle, means 2 pi r. You can write it. Clear, students? Now see the questions related to cone. Diameter of the base of the cone is 10.5 centimeter. So diameter D is given, and its slant height 10 centimeter. Slant height L is also given. L is 10 centimeter given. Find its curved surface area. We have to find its curved surface area and total surface area also. Clear? So we know that curved surface area of cone is pi r L. So put the values of pi r and L, then you can find its curved surface area. So curved surface area is, so because diameter is given 10.5, so radius will be equal to diameter by 2, will be equal to 21 by 4 centimeter. Slant height of cone L is equal to 10 centimeter already given. So curved surface area of cone, we know that pi r L, put the value pi r and L and calculate it. which is equal to 165 centimeter square, is the curved surface area of the cone. And we know that total surface area of cone is equal to pi r into r plus L. Pi r into r plus L. Put the value of pi r and L, then you can find total surface area of the cone. So put the values and calculate it, so you can find its total surface area. Clear, students? Now see the next example. The slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter. Means diameter is given 14 meter and slant height L is equal to given 25 meter. L is equal to 25 meter and diameter D is equal to 14 meter already given. Then find its radius. Radius will be 14 by 2 is equal to 7 meter. Clear? So you have to find cost of whitewashing its curved surface area. So firstly we have to find curved surface area of the tomb, and the rate of rupees 210 per meter square. So here cost of whitewashing is given. Cost of whitewashing per 100 meter square is equal to rupees 210. So we have to find cost to whitewashing the tomb. So firstly we have to find curved surface area of the tomb. So curved surface area of tomb will be pi r L. Put the value of pi r and L and find its curved surface area. Now cost of 100 meter square, cost of whitewashing 100 meter square is rupees 210. So cost of whitewashing 1 meter square will be equal to 200 upon 100. Clear? The cost of whitewashing 550 meter square is equal to 210 upon 100 into 550 equal to this one. Clear, students? Now see the next example. A joker's cap is in the form of right circular cone of base 7 centimeter, height 24 centimeter. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. We have to find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. So radius of cap R is 7 centimeter given, height H is equal to 24 centimeter given. Height this one 24. So H is equal to 24. This height is 24 है ना. So H is equal to 24 centimeter, R is equal to 7 centimeter given. So firstly you have to find L. We know that L is equal to root R square plus H square. Put the value of R and H, then you can find L. L means slant height of the cone is equal to 25 centimeter. Slant height of the cone 25 centimeter. By using the formula L is equal to root R square plus H square. R is 7 centimeter given and H is 24. So L will be equal to 25 centimeter. Now CSA of cone pi RL. Put the value of R and L. Now area of sheet required 1 cap will be 550 meter square. 550 meter square. Area of sheet required to make 1 cap. So area of sheet required to make 10 caps will be 10 into 550. So which will be equal to 5500 centimeter square is the answer. Clear students? So you have to solve exercise 13.3 with example. Okay students, thank you.